Yeah, we got one. What?
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Georgia, western Dawson County in north central Georgia, eastern Pickens County in north central Georgia, until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Ooh! Oh my God!
Centered near Waleska, Oregon, 2 miles northwest of Canton, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hail. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Hang on a sec.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Jasper, Ball Ground, Nelson, Waleska, Amicalola Falls State Park, Sequoia Lake, Lake Arrowhead, Blue Hill, Fawcett Lake, Alacoa Valley, Lake Tap, Holland Latham Reservoir, Tate and Revis Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.